Hi, this is the response video to the new art and science introduction that we read. In the professional standards for educational leaders, we find Standard 4, which holds administrators accountable for curriculum, instruction, and assessment in our buildings. In this standard, administrators are called to build an environment that promotes student achievement by developing and supporting curriculum, instruction, and assessment that is rigorous and coherent. And because of this, we need to have an understanding of sound instructional practices that lead to achievement. Marzano's goal in this book challenges all teachers and administrators to make needed changes in their teaching to raise student achievement. Marzano tells us that in this book he's going to focus on what needs to happen in the student's mind in order to achieve, including receiving and processing feedback, introduction that challenges them to think critically, and then ownership of the material so that they question, well, why am I learning this to begin with? And then finding that answer. This is done when they are able to connect the learning to outside areas such as their core subjects, or real-world experiences, or career readiness. In our district, we call that teaching through a career lens, and that's what we are moving to in our academies. Where Marzano points out that instructional strategies in and of themselves are not going to lead to achievement due to the many factors involved in a student's ability to grow and achieve. The new art and science of teaching will focus on student outcomes and achievement more than teacher behaviors. So when we become administrators, it's going to be very important that we are familiar with more and more teaching strategies so that we have ideas and ways that we can help our teachers that may be experts in the field but aren't able to teach the content. And we need to be able to provide ideas and resources for them to help them when they need that assistance.